Hello everyone, I'm gonna here to demonstrate my packet tracer that was I have used in assignment 2. My case study name is SimLim Square. As you can see that I have used one department of staff and one public area and one remote user in here, and there's a one registration server in here as well. As you can see that I have used 4 access point in here, 1 2 3 4. Now I'm gonna tell you start from pinging the tablet. As you can see that the IP address of that is 172.168.1.6.0.9. As you can see that is working in here, 176.168.0.9 in here. And I'm gonna send the packet from this tablet to here, and you can see that it's working from tablet to PC1. Now I'm gonna ping this one, and you can see that the IP address is 172.168 in here. Let's start from here. 172.1608. You can see that it's working in here as well. It's sending the 4 packets and receipt 4. Nothing is lost. Now I'm gonna start sending the packets from this smartphone to why it's not working. Here, and you can see that is working from smartphone 4 to PC1. And basically have used this in here. If you're gonna see that the fast ethernet from 0 by 0, so basically it 0 by 0 is called it's communicating from router to router, and the IP address is 192.168.1.1. And if you're gonna see that fast ethernet 0 by 1, so basically 0 by 1 means it's communicating from router to computer. And you can see in here that rest of the things are working fine. So that was all from my assignment 2. Thank you. Hi, I'm going to tell you about my assignment 1B. I'm going to tell you before the practical part, I'm going to tell you about a bit description of that. So basically the R1 and R2 in here, you can see that is given above in the diagram for network redundancy. I have suggested that the core layer of R1, R2 router, a distribution layer of R3, R4, and R5 is an access layer, and that this S1 and S2 and S3 switches are basically a wireless router for providing the wireless network for R7, R8, and R9. So I have assigned a basically IP address of 192.168.53, as you can see in here as well. And Cisco on the DNS worker while I'm on the administration to check the DNS stands great. And basically, so I'm gonna tell you about the practical part of that. So I'm gonna start with pinging that if it's working or not. As you can see that the IP address of it 162.192.168.1.3. I'm gonna click in here in command prompt 192.168.1.3. Sorry. 192.168.1.3. As you can see that it is working and it is replying from it, and everything is sending and receiving, so nothing is in here. Now I'm gonna send the packets from 1 to PC1 to PC3. So I'm sending it internally basically to check it is working or not. As you can see that it's working successfully from PC1 to PC3. Now I'm gonna have a look on PC3 that is basically working. So its IP address is 192.168.1.4. I'm gonna click in here. I'm going to command prompt. I'm gonna write ping 192.168.1.4. As you can see that it is, we are getting replies from that as well. Now I'm gonna check that it's basically sending the packets or not. Here, as you can see that it's I sent from PC3 to PC1, so it's still working. And I'm gonna tell you a bit about that. I've basically, you can see that these are the serial ports in here, and I'm gonna go in the config, and these are the serial ports. The fast Ethernet is 0 by 0, and you can see in here the details of this as well. And these are the series I have used, series 1 0 by 0 and 1, and you can see the changing of the IP addresses. And this all from my side. Thank you.